Leveling surveyors in Greater Noida play a crucial role in the construction industry by ensuring accurate measurements and leveling of land. Greater Noida is a rapidly developing city in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India, and is known for its infrastructure and real estate projects. With numerous high-rise buildings, commercial complexes, and residential townships coming up, the need for skilled leveling surveyors has increased significantly. The job of leveling surveyors in Greater Noida involves measuring the height differences between various points on a given piece of land. This is done using specialized equipment such as theodolites, total stations, and electronic leveling devices. These instruments help in determining the vertical distances between different points, which are then used to create accurate contour maps and elevation profiles of the land. One of the key responsibilities of leveling surveyors in Greater Noida is to ensure that the construction site is properly leveled before any construction work begins. This is important to ensure the stability and safety of the structures that will be built. Leveling surveyors use their expertise to identify any unevenness or slopes in the land and then take measures to correct them. They may use techniques such as cut and fill, where excess soil is removed from higher areas and used to fill in lower areas, to achieve a level surface. In addition to ensuring proper leveling of the land, leveling surveyors in Greater Noida also play a crucial role in designing the layout of buildings and infrastructure. They work closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals to determine the best locations for structures and utilities such as roads, drainage systems, and water supply networks. By providing accurate measurements and elevation data, leveling surveyors assist in creating efficient designs that meet the requirements of the project while minimizing costs and environmental impact. By guaranteeing accurate measurements and proper leveling of the land, leveling surveyors in Greater Noida play a significant role in the construction sector. Greater Noida is a metropolis that is quickly growing in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is well known for its infrastructure and real estate developments. The demand for qualified leveling surveyors has grown dramatically as a result of the numerous high-rise structures, business complexes, and residential townships that are currently under construction. Measuring the height disparities between various sites on a specific piece of land is the task of Greater Noida leveling surveyors. Theodolites, total stations, and electronic leveling devices are used as specialized equipment for this. These tools make it easier to measure the vertical distances between points, which are subsequently used to produce precise contour maps and elevation profiles. By guaranteeing accurate measures and land leveling, leveling surveyors in Greater Noida play a significant role in the construction sector. Greater Noida is a city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh that is quickly developing. These tools assist in calculating the vertical distances between points, which are subsequently utilized to produce precise contour maps and elevation profiles.